Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Calendar to Canva for campaign design deadlines step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to Canva's website. Log into your Canva account. Once you're logged in, locate the design you want to work on. In the design editor, look for the Apps button on the left sidebar. Click on the Apps button to see all available integrations. Search for Google Calendar in the apps list. Click on the Google Calendar app to start the integration process. You will be prompted to connect your Google account. Select the account you want to connect to Canva. Allow Canva the necessary permissions to access your Google Calendar. Once connected, return to your design. Now, you can add Google Calendar events directly into your design. Click on a specific date from your Google Calendar to view upcoming events. Drag and drop any event into your Canva design. Adjust the event size and position as needed. Use Canva tools to customize the text and appearance of the event. Once finished, ensure all campaign deadlines are visible. Save your design by clicking the Download button in the top right corner. Choose your preferred file format and download the design. You've now successfully connected Google Calendar to Canva for your campaign design deadlines. Your designs are not only visually appealing but also timely and organized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.